Hi there. In this video today, we would like to measure the weight of the Zebra ZQ320 Plus printer. We will take note of three different weights: the printer as a whole, which means the printer and the battery, and then the printer itself without the battery, and then the battery itself without the printer. Those are the three weights that we will take note of today. So for now, let me turn on the scale and start measuring. We'll start with the weight of the printer as a whole. As you can see, the ZQ320 Plus mobile printer is 14.6 ounce. That's printer plus battery, total of 14.6 ounce, or equivalent to 415 grams. Now, let me take it apart and measure the different parts separately. Here's the printer without the battery, and here's the battery separately. Let's start with the printer without the battery. Without the battery, you can see that the printer is 320 grams, or 11.4 ounces. Now let's see how much the battery itself weighs. This is a battery, and it's brand new, 2280 mAh battery. Wow, the battery is not so heavy. It's only 3.2 ounce, or equivalent to 90 grams. So the battery itself is 3.2 ounce or 90 grams. There you have it. You now have the weight of the Zebra ZQ320 Plus, total printer weight, printer only weight, battery only weight. I hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for your time.